the 2013 GMC Yukon XL 1500. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This GMC features a CD player, alloy wheels, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, four-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, third-row seating, DVD entertainment system, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.